In this video, I will show you how to download apps in your Windows PC or laptop. So let's do it. First of all, you just need to connect the internet on your PC and then open Microsoft Store. So after open, just scroll down and you can find a lot of apps. Here you can see this is apps and this on is for gaming. So just scroll down and find out your apps. So if you don't find, just go to search bar and search your apps. So after find your apps, simply open it. So here you can see after open, you can find an install button. Simply select it, and here you just need to wait for installing. And finally here you can see installation already completed. So guys, in this way you can download and install apps to your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching.